In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PNG to a PDF using Dropbox. This simple process will save you time and effort by ensuring your files are easily accessible and neatly organized. Whether you're preserving important visual documents or just need to share them in a more universal format, this guide will walk you through every step. First things first, you'll need to access your Dropbox account. You can do this through a web browser, or if you prefer, using the Dropbox application installed on your device. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your main Dropbox homepage where all your files are stored. Don't worry if you're not a tech guru. Dropbox's interface is user-friendly, so you'll be able to navigate it quite comfortably. Once you're inside your account, it's time to locate the PNG file you wish to convert to a PDF. This might mean browsing through your folders using the search function if you have a lot of files. Be sure you've picked the right image you need for conversion. When you've found your PNG file, you're going to perform a right click on it. This will open up a context menu full of options. Among these options, look for one that says Save As. Clicking Save As will provide a list of file formats available for saving your document. Next, select PDF from the list that appears. You're essentially telling Dropbox you want to convert this file to a PDF format. Choosing PDF is perfect for maintaining the quality of your image while also giving it a widely accepted document format. It's a great choice for ensuring others can easily view your image exactly as intended. With that, Dropbox will take over and automatically convert your PNG file into a PDF. The beauty of using Dropbox for this task lies in its ability to handle the conversion seamlessly, and you'll find it saved right there in your account within seconds. Now you have a PDF document that not only maintains the integrity of the original image, but is ready for sharing, printing, or whatever else you might need it for. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've converted your PNG file into a PDF using Dropbox. This process is quick and efficient, and is an excellent way to ensure your files are both easily shareable and visibly crisp in a PDF format. Feel free to repeat these steps for any additional images you need to convert, and soon enough you'll be a pro at managing your digital documents through Dropbox. Thanks for following along and happy converting.